how you can lock your chat on Telegram. So first of all, what you need to do is click on the menu icon on the top left corner and then go on settings. Here under settings you can see privacy and security. You just have to click on it, and under security you can see passcode lock. Now click on it and you can enable the passcode lock. Here it will ask you to create a 4-digit passcode. Now once you've created the passcode, it will ask you to re-enter it. Once you've completed that, it will give you a few options. You can either change your passcode. You can also toggle the switch to turn off unlock with fingerprints and turn it on if you want to use your fingerprint. You can click on auto lock and set the time to lock Telegram automatically. Now I'm going to select 5 minutes and click on done. Now once you've done that, your Telegram chats will be locked. After you've done that, you can see a lock icon on the top right corner. You have to click on the lock icon and now it locks your Telegram. Now you can enter your passcode in order to unlock it. And now if you want to disable the lock feature, you can go on settings and then on privacy and security and then on passcode lock. Here you can enter your passcode, and on the bottom you can see turn off passcode lock. Once you've clicked on it, it will ask you to confirm, and you just have to click on turn off, and now your passcode lock is turned off. And that is basically it. Thank you for watching this video.